This is the highway to 10K, a challenge where I try to make $10,000 online as fast as possible. Did you know that if you owned one of these, you can make passive income? Look at the mess you've made. You don't even pay for rent. What do you have to say for yourself? This is rabbit poop. Unlike the feces of other animals like dogs or cats and birds, this is dry, odorless, and doesn't contain any harmful pathogens or bacteria that can cause illnesses. I believe it has something to do with their vegetarian diet. I'm just wearing a glove because I'm a germaphobe and the idea of holding poop kind of grosses me out. But apparently, rabbit poop is an amazing choice for fertilizer, having more nutrients than cow or horse manure and twice as rich as chicken manure. In other words, this poop is valuable. On eBay, rabbit poop sells for around $7 a pound. I've estimated that 20 rabbit pellets weigh around 0.01 ounces. However, rabbits typically produce anywhere between 200 to 300 pellets a day. Let's just average it out to 250 just to make our calculations easier. To earn $1, it would take around 18 days. In 1 year, you make $20. In conclusion, it's not worth it. Thanks for coming to my TED Talk. In about 9 minutes, we have these Stanley tumblers dropping. These have been doing really well recently. What I'm gonna do is run 2 tasks on my bot and just hope for the best. If I don't get anything, it's all good, but we're gonna give it a shot. Oh, okay, there we go. Nice, nice, nice. I got these Nike Blazers for $65 from the gift card glitch. I was planning to sell these for around $80 to $85, and then disaster struck. Black Friday came around and Nordstrom put these on sale for $63, $2 less than my purchase price. They annihilated any of my hopes of selling this shoe for a profit.
Oh, I can't believe you've done this.
In a panic, I listed these on my Instagram for $70, hoping to at least make my money back. 24 hours passed by and nothing. I checked the recent sales on eBay and turns out the shoe still has consistent sales between $75 and $80. Honestly, I don't know why I didn't check eBay to begin with. So I listed it for around $78 and a few hours later, miraculously, it sold. After shipping and fees, my profit is around $9, which is trash, but this is basically a GR brick flip. And I also sold some laundry detergent as well that I got from some random Amazon price glitch. As far as other items coming in, I just got shipping confirmation for the Supreme hoops. Surely those will be more profitable than the other 2 items I sold today. There is a rumored Kobe shock drop in about 4 minutes. My expectations are super low. I really don't think I'm gonna get this.
Not with that attitude.
But we gotta give it a try. Please, yo, let me win. I just need this for the toll.
Why the fuck you lying?
Please. Shit. Yeah, I'm never talking into the phone again. That was stupid. Over the past week and a half, Goat has been doing some sort of Black Friday event, which has been amazing. However, this was really the only thing that I got from it, which is a pair of Crocs. Should make anywhere between $20 to $30 off of this. To be fair, I wasn't on top of this event as much as I should have because some of the other group members ended up being able to buy some crazy stuff. I don't know if it was like this easy or if they were just crazy lucky, but honestly, I wish I could turn back time so that I could put a little bit more effort into this event. The Supreme basketball hoop came in, just gonna keep it in the box until it sells, and I actually made a bunch of sales over the last 24 hours. Barbies. I could have made way more profit, but I got a little greedy and it bit me in the ass. I got several offers to buy each of these for $250 and I turned them down. So I had 3 of these in total and the first one sold for $260. So I was like, yep, that's the price that I'm gonna sell it for. About a month later, these were selling for way lower than $260. So So yeah, being patient more times than not usually works out for me, but sometimes it doesn't. Therefore, I was planning to sell my born and raised dogs for around $460 to $470, but I got an offer for $450. I decided not to greed too hard and just accept it. Either way, it's a pretty good sale, getting all of these shipped out tomorrow and gonna add all of that to the profits. Today we sold the basketball hoop. Sold pretty quickly. The next one should be coming in tomorrow. Additionally, did a tiny bit of credit card rewards farming. Not a huge amount, but it's something. These PlayStation Portals and Sony Pulse are doing numbers as far as sales volume. I somehow snagged a PlayStation Portal on Best Buy, which unfortunately got cancelled. And I managed to get a couple of pre-orders for the Pulse, which supposedly is going to be available next week, but we'll see. I won't exactly get rich off these few checkouts, but they're very solid items to flip nonetheless. Hopefully I can get some more before Christmas.